Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago takes a swipe at her colleagues tagged in the pork barrel scam. She also takes a stand on one of the usual suggestions for candidates eyeing national posts.
As members of the world's...
The theme of the senator's speech before this gathering of students, how to become world-class youth leaders. But first, a trademark starter.
Here's a pick-up line for aspiring leaders. Can I follow you home? Because my parents always told me to follow my dreams.
Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago urged students to aspire for leadership positions and help end what she calls a cycle of corruption in government. She also alluded to senators who allegedly received kickbacks from the pork barrel scam.
Kung ayaw nyo, hindi palagi na lang corrupt ang sistema natin. Kailangan kayo ang maging leader. Kasi wala nang pag-asa itong mga matatanda na ito, itong mga sexy at mga pogi.
Santiago told the youth to develop good communication skills and relationships, be visionaries, and learn to adjust to the situation at hand. She added, the country's next president should also do so, if only to end corruption once and for all.
Nakita na natin, lahat pala itong mga senador at mga congressman, puro ito, nakaw ng pera ng gobyerno. Pagkatapos, pag sinumbong sila, galit pa sila. Dapat yung presidente, puntahan niya sila isa-isa, lalo na itong mga senador, at amunin na lang niya ng suntukan. Hindi ba kuha sa pakiusap eh?
Santiago said leaders achieve world-class status through hard work, experience, and learning, blasting colleagues who are unwilling to learn. She is now proposing that candidates running for national positions be required to be college graduates.
Right now in our law book, in our statute books, people who apply to become policemen must be college graduates. There is no such provision for a presidential candidate. So any idiot can run for president and possibly poll a certain number of votes among his fellow idiots.
An amendment to the Constitution is needed for this, but the senator is not inclined to support charter change for now. Willard Cheng, ABS-CBN News.